Hey guys, this is Sam from uberdrivernow.com. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to set the destination filter in the Lyft Driver app. So when you open up the Lyft Driver app, this is the screen that you're going to see. On the top right hand corner there's a magnifying glass. Just tap on that and select either the locations that are showing up in the history or just type a new location. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in just any location here, and I selected it, and now it's going to find me trips heading in that direction. And that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the logo at the bottom right corner of the screen to subscribe, and check out my other videos on the screen, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.